Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your BirdBuddy camera shows as offline, you won't be able to access live views, receive new bird postcards, or sync recent activity with the app. Sometimes the camera worked perfectly before, but suddenly disappears from the app even though it's still mounted outside. This can happen after changes to your home network, temporary power interruptions, or communication delays between the camera and the cloud service. The good part is that an offline status doesn't always mean the camera is defective. A few targeted checks can often bring it back online without starting the entire setup over. In this video, I'll show you several simple steps to get your BirdBuddy camera connected again. 1. Verify the feeder is still within reliable Wi-Fi coverage after installation. 2. Refresh the device list in the BirdBuddy app by pulling down on the home screen. 3. Reconnect the camera to your saved home network if the Wi-Fi credentials have recently changed. 4. Wake the camera by pressing its function button once, then wait for it to reconnect automatically. 5. Allow a few minutes for the camera to complete its cloud synchronization before checking its status again.